Just a really quick look at the TINTALK air fryer. It comes with tongs, a really cute oven mitt that you can use to get your trays and things out, the instruction manual, a recipe book that has 50 recipes. There is the air fryer basket. There is a removal for the basket, the rod for the basket. If you open it up, the door is going to shut it off, which is fine. It comes with this type of rack that slides in, a grill plate, which is really super neat. I've never seen an air fryer come with a grill plate, so I'm excited about using this one. And then there is the typical air fryer basket, and then the drip plate is down here, and it removes so it's easy to clean. I'm going to close it really quick. To turn it on, you push this button, and you can see it does fries, wings, grill for steaks. There's pizza, toast, fish, chicken, and even dehydrate, which I dehydrate a lot of food, so I like having an option that I can use as a second dehydrator. There's a light that you can press on, press off. There's a reheat, rotisserie, which I don't use on my air fryers, but if you like to do rotisserie, and then there's different, you can heat an element on the top, the bottom, or both, which is extremely helpful if you're doing 2 trays, less turning. So yeah, I think you would turn it here. This is your degrees, this is your minutes. Overall, it is a really neat looking air fryer. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. And the first thing I'm gonna do in mine is some asparagus. Yeah, so there's a look at that TINTALK and everything you get in it for the price.
This is the electric programmable air fryer by TINTALK. I got it yesterday in the mail, and it is a very good oven. If you can see, I have all stainless steel. The whole oven is stainless steel. You have a timer, temperature control at the top, power button, turn it on. Very, very good product. Comes with all of the things you'll need to start. You have the instruction manual, the cookbook, the rotisserie, the tongs. You have the rotisserie cage, which is a plus. You have the oven rack fryer and handle. Here's the box that it came in. Very, very good product, top of the line technology. I love that display. Comes with oven rack. It slips right in. And there it is, the dashboard all lit up. Here's a brand new oven mitt. Very, very good. It's well constructed, top of the line technology, and a very good addition to your man cave, kitchen countertop, or breakfast nook. Very, very good product. I recommend TINTALK air fryer for your home. Very easy to clean. Everything goes in the dishwasher. It is all stainless steel. Very, very good product. Thank you.